Welcome to Forest Biology channel. So there is an update in the KA website regarding the UG NEET 2021. They have published the calendar of events for the registration and verification of documents. The publication of notification in the newspapers and on the KA website is done on 11th December. Hosting of information bulletin that they have published it on 13 December after 11 a.m. That is, they have published it now. In the next video, we'll be seeing detailed explanation video of information bulletin. The online registration begins from 13 December and it goes till 17 December. The last day to pay the registration fees is 18th December 2021 before 5:30 p.m. So after you register, you can pay fees till 18th December 5:30 p.m. Next, submission of special category certificates only by Karnataka candidates, that is NCC, Sports, Defence, Ex-Defence, Scouts and Guides, CAPF, ex-CAPF, AGL, and this is only done in the KA Bangalore Center. It is from 17th December and 18th December, 10:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Those who have already submitted for UG CET this year need not submit once again for UG NEET separately. Medical examination to physically disabled candidates only for Karnataka candidates, including those who have already appeared for medical examination for UG CET, should also compulsory appear for UG NEET medical examination. So whoever has appeared for CET also, they should appear again for NEET. This is on 17th and 18th from 10:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. at KA Bangalore, and the reported time is 10 a.m. Verification of documents for Karnataka students. Read the instructions hosted separately in the KEA website with regard to documents verification and follow the instruction. And there will be a rank wise schedule which will be hosted on the website on 17th December 2021. So the verification of documents is in between 20 December to 23rd December. Next, marks entry and uploading of marks card. This is for non-Karnataka candidates. Read the instructions hosted separately in the KA website with regard to the documents verification and follow the instructions. It is from 15th December to 20 December and it is only after the payment of fees. Next, the Kannada language test only for Horanadu and Gadinadu Kannadiga students. This is only to newly registered candidates. Those CET 2021 candidates who have already appeared for the Kannada examination on 30th August are not eligible to appear for Kannada language test once again. And this is also conducted in Bangalore only on 18th December from 11:30 am to 12:30 pm. Downloading of verification slip from KA website from 11 am on 28th December to 38th December 8 p.m. You can download the verification slip of the UG NEET registration. This above schedule may be revised and any change in the schedule will be notified on the KA website. The detailed information about allotment of seats as notified by Government of India, MCC, Government of Karnataka with regard to commencement of counselling schedule for the first round, second round and mop-up round, etc. And other counselling related procedures, guidelines will be published later in the KEA website. So this is all about the calendar of events. In the next upcoming video, we'll be looking into the information bulletin and we'll go through it. Thank you all. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.